Hello everyone. We have already learnt about the conic sections and their standard equations in the previous videos. Now in this video, we are going to discuss some of the miscellaneous problems based on the conic sections. And the problems are from the NCERT books. So here the first problem is, if a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep, find its focus. First of all, we have to understand the problem that there is a parabolic reflector. We can draw a parabola in the standard form. Diameter means this is the part which is circular, the front part of the reflector, and here we find that this is the diameter, AB is the diameter of it. That is 20 centimeter. The depth, that will be OC is 5 centimeter. Now we know if this is the diameter, C is the midpoint of the diameter, then this will be 10 and this also will be 10 or not. In that case, we can say that the coordinates of A will be 5, 10 or not. So we write here for the solution, let the reflector in the form of standard parabola. AB is its diameter. If the center of diameter be C, then we can say AB is equal to 20 centimeter, implies that AC is equal to BC is equal to 10 centimeter. OC is given as 5 centimeter. Can we say therefore that point A will be 5, 10? These are the coordinates of it. We know that the equation of this type of parabola is y square is equal to 4x. So we can write, let the equation of parabola be y square is equal to 4ax. Point A lies on it. Point A lies on it. So what we get? We can substitute these coordinates in this. Will it be 10 square equal to 4a into x means 5? This gives us a is equal to 100 upon 20, or we can say 5. And we know that the focus of a parabola is a, 0. Will it be here 5, 0 not? And 5, 0 find here? It is C, which is C. So what we can say? That the center of the diameter is the focus. Or we can say focus lies at the center of the diameter. The next problem we discuss here is, an arch is in the form of a parabola with its axis vertical. The arch is 10 meter high and 5 meter wide at the base. How wide is it at 2 meters from the vertex of the parabola? Since the axis has been given vertical, we can consider the parabola vertically downwards. This is the depth of the or height of the arch, which is 10 meters. The width at the base is 5 meter. Can we say if here P is the center of AB or the midpoint of AB, then this will be 2.5. And hence we can say the coordinates of A will be 2.5, minus 10. We have to find the width at the height 2 meters from the vertex. Suppose the length is 2k or the width is 2k, then this will be k and this also will be k or not, and hence we can say the coordinates of C will be k comma minus 2. So we discuss here this way. For the solution, let the parabola be as in the diagram. AB is equal to 5 meter. This implies that AP equal to PB is equal to 5 by 2, or we can say 2.5 meter. Then the coordinates of A will be 2.5 comma minus 10. Let the width two meters from vertex be CD equal to 2k. This implies that CQ is equal to DQ is equal to K, and therefore we can say C will be K comma minus 2. Now we can consider the parabola downward, and therefore so we can write here equation of parabola is x square is equal to minus 4ay. A lies on it. The A is 2.5 comma minus 10 lies on it. So what will happen? This point will be satisfying this. So can we write here 2.5 square is equal to minus 4 into A into minus 10, which is equal to 40A. It means we are getting A is equal to 6.25 upon 40. If we substitute this value in the equation of the parabola, which can be taken as 1, so substituting in 1, we are getting this as x square is equal to minus 4 into 6.5 upon 40 into y, which is equal to minus 6.25 upon 10y, or we can say this is minus 0.625y. Now we know C. C is k comma minus 2, lies on it or not. So we substitute the values of these coordinates in this. We are getting here x square means k square equal to minus 0.625 into y is minus 2. This comes as 1.25. It means we can say that k is equal to root of 1.25, which can be taken approximately as 1.115. It means we are getting here the width at 2 meters from vertex is equal to CD, that is equal to 2k. That is equal to 2 into 1.115, or we can say 2.23 meters approximately. We can also write here approximately. We could find out that the width at the distance 2 meters from the vertex is 2.23 meters approximately. The third problem we have is an arch is in the form of a semi-ellipse. It is 8 meter wide and 2 meter high at the center, 8 meter wide and 2 meter high. Find the height of the arch at 1.5 meters from one end. What we do in such question? First of all, we have to find out the equation of the ellipse. Whose part is this? And we take this in the standard form, so we can write for the solution, let the ellipse be in the standard form A dash as given here is equal to 8 meter, and we find OB is equal to 2 meter. We know that the equation of the ellipse is in the form of x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. And what is the major axis? Here, major axis, that is equal to 2a is equal to a dash, and that is as 8 meters. Can we say then a will be 4 meters or not? The semi-minor axis, that is OB, and that is equal to B, we know, is given here as 2 meters. Therefore, equation of the ellipse, that is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Can we say it will be x square upon 4 square plus y square upon 2 square is equal to 1? Or it is x square upon 16 plus y square upon 4 is equal to 1. This we can name as 1. Now, suppose point C is the point which is at 1.5 meters from A. Let C be the point 1.5 meters away from A. And we know OA is equal to 4. So can we say then OC will be equal to 4 minus 1.5, or we can say 2.5. Let the height at C, that is suppose CP, be K. If it is K, then can we say that point P will be having the coordinates at 2.5 comma K? And this lies on 1. So if we substitute the values in 1, we will be getting here x square means 2.5 square upon 16 plus y means k square upon 4 is equal to 1. If we take LCM as 16, are we getting here 6.25 plus 4 into k square equal to 16? This gives us 4k square is equal to 16 minus 6.25, which is equal to 9.75. So we get here k square is equal to 9.75 divided by 4. It means k will be equal to root of 9.75 upon 4. Root of 9.75 is approximately 3.12, and the root of 4 is 2. If we divide by 2, it gives us 1.56 meters. It means the height at 1.5 meters from one end is 1.56 meters. This is the way we can find the solution of any problem which is based on the conic sections. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.